Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your subscription with Gear Up Booster. In order to do so, here we are at gearupbooster.com and let's see what information we can find. So as soon as we start, we have a free download here. We'll scroll down and we don't see anything regarding cancellations. Let's go to support. Here, if we scroll down, we also do not see anything specific to cancellations, but we do see here where it says contact us. So if we click on that, then that is going to bring us to the Discord channel. And from here, you can request information on cancellation, or we can take a look at what Cider has to say. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available, and so we're going to ask Cider. So we've got GPT-5 wants to know, where did you subscribe to Gear Up Booster? Common places people subscribe are the official website account portal. However, we did not see anything like that there. Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Steam, a third-party site, payment via PayPal or direct card billing. So the fact that GPT does not have the answer right off the bat leads me back to their Discord. I think that is going to be your best bet to find more information on that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested, take a look at our link tree there in the description. You will see that we have a variety of recommendations and promotions for you to take a look at, including Cider. If you'd like to use Cider, click on the link there in the link tree and you can get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Check out our course on AI, making an AI music video. For $30, we'll take you through our process so that you can make your own AI music video masterpieces. And if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.